Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to sign up ChatGPT without phone number, and is it possible? Yes, it is. But first, let me tell you that you don't need to go to any Play Store and then download this one. What you want to do is simply go to Google web browser or any web browser and then kindly type chat.openai.com, and you will have your options here, like if you want to sign up or log in if you have an account already. But of course our tutorial is about signing up without phone number, so click sign up here. And actually you can see here options such as you can sign up using your email address, and below you have other options such as signing up using your Google account. Also you can sign up using your Microsoft account, and if you have an Apple ID, then you can sign up using your Apple and click continue. So you just have to simply select from any of this here. You don't need your phone number to sign up or create a ChatGPT account. All you have to do is simply create a Google account or email address, and that's it. So creating an account in ChatGPT without phone number is indeed possible. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.